From all of us at Singapore Airlines, we are looking forward to welcoming you on board again.
A lot has changed in the last few months, but one thing has not: our promise to make sure your journey with us is safe from check-in to landing. Here's what we're doing to keep that promise. Your journey starts with temperature screening for all passengers and staff. Please be reminded to keep your mask on at all times. You'll find hand sanitizers provided throughout the airport, as well as increased cleaning and disinfection of frequently visited places. We are also alternating our check-in counters and kiosks so you can remain at a safe distance from other passengers. We are committed to setting new standards of safety for travel, as well as ensuring a smoother journey through the use of technology. For example, to minimize contact, you may check in online with the Singapore Air mobile app. Remember to keep your contact details up to date to receive real-time flight status alerts on your phone, and visit our website for the latest health and safety information. If you would like to read during your flight, use the Singapore Air mobile app to download complimentary newspapers and magazines from our e-library before boarding. Minimizing contact means in-flight sales will not be available. You may instead order Chris-shop items online before your flight, and we will deliver your items to you on board or to your doorstep. When it is time to board, simply present your boarding pass to our staff. Remember to keep a safe distance from other passengers when boarding.
Our care for your well-being continues on board. Safety starts with us. Before your flight begins, every aircraft is thoroughly cleaned. Our cabin crew will be wearing personal protective equipment. And as you step on board, you can expect new headsets, as well as fresh headrests and pillow covers, bed sheets and blankets. Lavatories are regularly disinfected for your comfort and safety. All our aircraft are equipped with HEPA filters, which keep the cabin air clean. The air in our cabins is refreshed every 2 to 3 minutes. Please remember to keep your face mask on during the flight. For your personal use, you will receive a care kit containing essential items for your journey. You may control the in-flight entertainment system remotely from your phone with the Singapore Air mobile app. We are also continually making adjustments to our food and beverage service for your well-being. And if anyone feels unwell during the flight, our cabin crew are on hand to assist.
There will be dedicated seating zones for transit and non-transit passengers on board each flight. You can expect the same level of care for your safety on arrival and during your transit in Singapore. Throughout your journey with us, rest assured that we are working hard and using the latest technology to make sure you are safe and well informed.
We look forward to seeing you soon.